a quick unboxing. I want to share with you this belong to the spring summer collection from Ironheart. I just received this through a mail. Okay, I just arrived to my doorstep the parcel. I want to share you and tell you why I picked these things. This I already opened the package. Then this is one of the, and really like this sticker. I really like this sticker, and a car, and this thing. First one. I bought this because it was on sale. It's £25. I don't know how much in dollars, but it's a really nice cup. Really nice cup with from the 20th anniversary of the. I think £25, maybe $30, and the original price was 83 pounds. It's a good discount. There is a lot of, there is more than 9 according to the website still, but if you can pick one, I strongly recommend it because it's really nice. Sorry, really nice cap, really nice, and the price is fantastic. It's wool blend with polyester, 80% wool and 20% polyester, and it has the 20th anniversary with the symbol here, and it's very made in USA. Yeah. Very nice cap, and the price is more than worth it. Anyway, let's move to the next. Two shirts. First one, work shirt. This Ironheart. This work shirt is very nice, very nice. According to the way it was, it's 9 ohms. Is how is it? A flannel of 9 ohms. That's very useful in summer, in springtime. And this, according to Ironheart website, is unbrushed. That's very important. According to Ironheart website, this gonna fade. This gonna fade for sure. But well, let's see. It's a really nice color, a really nice flannel for summer vibes or springtime vibes. And the other release that I have this white denim shirt. Okay, white denim shirt, and look at this. It's not salvage. It's not salvage. This extra large in this case. This is extra large too, extra large too, as well, because the measurements. And then normal is not salvage. Okay, it's not salvage, but this is something nice for dress up. Realistically, I buy it with that purpose, a jean that can be dressed up a little bit and looks smart with this kind of the jean. They're gonna be, according to them, it's gonna be a work style release. I don't wanna try the test. I want to unbox with you this shirt to see how things, what you think about it, and if you want to do a video especially for each one of the shirts and do the fittings and everything, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy with that. Okay, see you in the next. Thank you. Bye.